Hi, it's Emmy. Welcome back. Today I have a special guest, and this is my brother Brian, otherwise known as my brother Wee. So Wee, what are we going to be making today?
We're going to be making MUSHY MIMI.
And for those of you that don't follow me or are not familiar with this story or this lovely dish called MUSHY MIMI, do tell me and my audience what this is.
When I was a kid, my sister would always be like, can I cook you something? She was big sister. And she had one dish, and it was MUSHY MIMI.
Come on, one dish. I think Mom taught us how to make this.
I guess so. Like,
Mimi is it, I
don't know what Mimi is. Because it's not,
Mama's in the background here. We should ask Mom. Mom, what's Mimi?
Noodle. It's Fuganese.
Oh, Fuganese. So like Taiwanese, I guess then. So Mimi, okay. Like me. None of us know Chinese, so our pronunciation is horrible. Mimi, it's horrible.
Mimi is just baby talk for noodles. Origin stories are blurry, but we are going to be making MUSHY MIMI, and it's a very simple dish, and it has 2 ingredients.
First is ramen noodles, maruchan, and then the other ingredient is zucchini. Mom would always make this, and she'd make it, and she wanted it soft so that we could eat it, and then because this is so quote-unquote unhealthy, she thought of making it healthier by adding vegetables. So she had zucchini.
That sounds right.
And it kind of stuck.
I'll go with that. And it was also something that I think that we could make that she felt comfortable allowing us to make in the kitchen ourselves. So it's been a long time coming, and now we're going to be making MUSHY MIMI for the first time in a long time.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Good.
We've got some water boiling here. There it is. This is not my kitchen, obviously.
Chopsticks. Mushibu, nothing.
Mushibu, that means
Mushibu.
they don't
that's
have
our
it.
horrible Burmese.
I think we're just gonna have to use a fork.
How did we used to do this?
When we were talking about this, you said half moons, right?
Half moons? I guess so.
Yeah, it was. So I think for this amount of MUSHY MIMI and for the size of the zucchini, you would just need about half of the zucchini. He's just gonna slice them up. All right, I think so.
Tostino's more bagel bites. I used to eat a lot of bagel bites too. Bagel bites.
Bagel bites, Tostino's. Ambondaza.
Those are the best.
I just had one recently because they were on sale at the supermarket, and I had one and I put it in the microwave and it wasn't good as I remember.
Those are so good. And then they had the little crisper circles. I think they still come with them so that you can microwave them and they'd be toasted.
Yeah.
Like
What flavor, y'all? What flavor is your favorite Celeste pizza? It has to be supreme.
I remember something we used to make.
What?
It was your pizza dish. Remember you used to take French bread and make pizza to toast, special toast? You call it like, I'm gonna make special toast. You would take like these, it was like, it was like these little loaf, like these little like bread rolls, like Kaiser rolls or something, and you put like
chop
cheese,
up stuff.
and then she's like, you would be like, the secret ingredient. It was dried basil. Tomato, shredded cheese, basil.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Very close. You see, when your zucchini start looking like that, like unrecognizable as zucchini, this is a good sign.
Full packet?
No!
It's like, you're just like Mom. Mom's always like, you can always put a little bit. I always put now that I make my own instant noodle, I put the whole thing.
Can we have it for the OG's sake of just doing it half, and then we can always add more because that's what we're doing this for. This is traditional sake here. All right, see? Now, that's the color we're looking for. It should be gloppy.
Totally, yeah. Yeah. Right? Is that right?
If any of my Burmese friends are listening, my apologies for my brother's Burmese pronunciation.
Yeah, it means really solid. You say it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See?
It's probably better.
That's... Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Yeah. That's what I remember it like.
You know, still pretty good.
It really is. Now, one of the things that I like about this is it doesn't require any chewing whatsoever. You just kind of smush it onto the roof of your mouth and it just kind of becomes non-existent. Although that bite was crunchy. Why was that crunchy? Did you wash that zucchini? I just had dirt. It was gross. That was awful.
I washed it. Can there be enough dirt on zucchini to make your.
I don't know.
Dry
That was
energy.
definitely grit.
It was probably how about it's a crusty noodle that got dry on the edge of a bowl.
No, I would know. That was dirt.
I didn't get any.
Good though. You know what? The distinctive flavor of Maruchan chicken flavor flavoring stuff is, in my opinion. Can you tell me? What's the flavor
You're
profile?
testing me now.
Yeah, what is it?
Testing me.
I'll give you a hint.
Don't give me a hint.
Yes.
It's like buttery or something.
No. I'll give you a hint. Stovetop. Stovetop has it too. Key. Oh, stovetop.
Celery?
Yes. Do you taste it? It is. It's celery. And I'm not a huge fan of celery, but in this, it's key. And
It actually has a celery taste.
in chicken pot pie, see?
I mean, that's the classic
Maruchan.
pairing, right? Like in stuffing,
Mhm.
in chicken salad, in pot pies, you need
Mhm.
celery, a little bit of celery in your chicken, right?
And your zucchini is totally mushed, and the zucchini has zero flavor, but you'd like to think because it is green, it's adding some vitamin,
Probably
you know,
is. Probably some
nutritional.
fiber. Yeah, filler.
All right, Wade. It's been fun.
It's been fun. Eating mushy mimi.
All right, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. I hope you guys learned something. Thank you, my little brother, for showing up.
Thanks for having me.
And if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more of my brother, please leave me a comment. And then I will see if I can convince him to do another video with me. I don't know what we would make.
I don't know. We could probably figure something out.
Your milkshake?
No. We can do something
Like real?
iconic or something good.
Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Subscribe, like, and I shall see you in the next one.
Toodaloo. Take care. Bye.